I got a new phone, so if this comes out like garbage, not my fault. Haven't done this in a while. It's weird talking to our camera again. It doesn't feel genuine. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. We're gonna get back into it, alright? I'm gonna do some dramatic makeup. Sparkly and dramatic and carnival and fun rides and lights. Do I really need an excuse to be dramatic? I feel as though living on this planet as a woman is enough of an excuse to be dramatic. And if you disagree with that, you're delusional. Not me, you. Look in the mirror and check yourself. Since it's going to be a dramatic look, I don't know why I'm talking like this. Also, this is new, right? I don't think you've seen my my basement from this angle before. And Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in original. Put it on, oh bitch. You can't have a cool eye that will last all day unless you prime your eyelid. I got really tan this summer, so I'm just gonna use House Lab Skin Tech Triclone Concealer in medium neutral. Cause I am tan as a freak. And we're just gonna blend that in. We're just gonna blend it in. You know what I'm not looking forward to? Editing this. This is gonna be my base shadow right here. And I'm gonna apply it all over me lid. I know I've taken like a 3-month hiatus from doing makeup. It was the summer and I wanted to be outside. Can you blame me? Can you blame me? I'm gonna go in with this color on my crease. Contour the brow bone. I'm gonna go in with this NYX glitter primer. Apply it to my lid. Grab some glitter. Apply it to my lid. I'm already obsessed. Glitter, I just met her. I'm gonna go in with Spellbound on this Blend Bunny Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna make a dramatique wing. A very pointy brush and fill it in. Like so. We're gonna take that blending brush and blend her in. It's experimental. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Am I worried about looking like a clown? No. Maybelline Build-A-Brow in deep brown. Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in Universal. I've been using this. I highly recommend this for oily girls. I lost a little spoon, but one of my friends slash clients recommended this to me, and holy moly, guacamole, this works. It makes my skin look velvet. And you know how us oily skin girls start looking like we dipped our face in a deep fryer after some time? I've worn this for 12 hours straight and my makeup looked like I had just put it on. I'm gonna scoop some out, put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna like warm it up a little bit. It smells like an ointment you would put on a scar, and we're just gonna wait for it to do its magic. I don't know if you can already see on my forehead, like this side, I haven't applied any, but it's really shiny. And then this side's kind of muted out. This is like definitely, you know, satin, and this is like oily. Don't believe me, try it out for yourself. I do not recommend this for anyone with dry skin. Fenty Beauty Soft Lift Foundation in the shade 295. Like I said, I've gotten pretty tan over the summer. I'm gonna blend it out. I like it. I like how all the Pakistanis call Rihanna Rihanna. Rihanna made some really good foundation. This is common knowledge, but I'm just reaffirming. Back with that concealer. Blend it in. I'm gonna clean up those wings. Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in Mocha. Apply on the forehead, on my temple. Contour my nose with it. Cheekbones. Jawline. Blend it out. Raise your hand if you've gone out and realized you forgot to blend out your jawline contour and you realized when it was way too late. Nobody ever tells you. I would though, I would tell you. I got these e.l.f. bronzing drops in pure gold. I used them the other day, so good. Same thing, I'm gonna put them on the back of my hand, blend it on your hand, and blend it on your cheek. Very subtle on my tan ass skin, but it looks really good. Makeup Forever HD Skin Blush and Glow Palette, and I'm gonna go in with this orangey highlighter. So beautiful. Wow. Just applying it to the tops of my cheeks up to my temples. I'm going to set this all in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Get my fan ready. Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Banana Bread. Gonna set under my eyes. And then whatever's left over, I'm just gonna go over the rest of my face very lightly. I'm gonna go back in with the Blend Bunny shade on a flat brush. Put it on the lower outer corner of my eye, like so. I'm gonna do some cool graphic liner. So I'm gonna go in with this Paradise Makeup AQ palette. We got 50 Shades of Gold going on up in here. Experimentation, experimentation. I think that gave it a little. Should I continue with the 50 Shades of Gold, or should I do one of these? I think I'm gonna do one of these. Should I put one right here too at the bottom? Sure. All about the eyes today. Listen, I'm trying something new. Don't fucking judge me for trying something new, okay? Just because you don't have the balls. Pair these with some dramatic lashes. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I don't think it's some of my best work, but I'm not mad. Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. I mean, come on. This is all I use. Pretty snazzy. Now to repeat thy art on the other side. May the symmetry gods help me. Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in 03. I'm going to try to hold back on the lip. NYX Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Nude Beige. Milani Color Fetish Matte Lipstick in Tease. Maybe that's a little too nude. NYX Matte Lip Liner in Moonwalk. I like it. It adds like to the cool tone. Yeah. Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. I'm gonna go in with Butterscotch. Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. Alright, this is the final look. Do I really want to know what you think of this? I don't know, because this look is not by any means everyone's cup of tea, but it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun to do. I like to be the dramatique. You will not find moi going on any rides. I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye bye.